Hello, class.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Great. So let's discover what's inside the mystery box. If you want to discover what's inside the mystery box, raise your hands. Hands up. Yes. Wow. What's this? It's a shark. Here you are. High five. Thank you. Good job. Hands up. Okay. Ooh, what is it? It's a sticky ball. High five. Thank you. What's this? What's this? It's a fish. Give me a high five. Very good. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
So let's talk about sea animals. Repeat. Sea animals. Good. Sea animals. Sea animals. Sea animals. Okay, tell me, what can you see? Great job. What? I can see a starfish. Very good. Turtle. Now, what can you see? Now, what can you see? Now, what can you see? What can you see? Excuse me, 1 minute.
I can see a starfish.
Okay, can you find the starfish here? Yes, give it to me. Can you find the starfish? Thank you, good job. Good job, very good. Now sit down, please. Thank you. What can you see?
I can see a jellyfish.
High five first. High five. Where's the jellyfish? Good. Where's the jellyfish? Where's the jellyfish? Thank you. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Do you like fishing?
Yes.
Okay. So let's go fishing. So raise your fishing rope like this. Okay. So yeah, raise it like this. Raise it. Good. So let's fish. Look here. Okay, throw it. Wow, nice. What's that? It's a crab. Look here. It's a jellyfish. It's a whale. Very good. What's that? It's a crab. It's a jellyfish. Good job. 6, 7. Okay, 6, 7. 6, 7. Okay. 14. Okay. How many have you got? 16. Good. And what can you see? Good. What can you see? All right. What can you see? Wow. What can you see? Okay, dear students, did you have fun today? Did you have fun today?
Yes!
Okay, goodbye.